Hi, now we discuss about MEEARO 5-amp Automotive Smart Battery Charger. So let's start. Key specifications: input voltage, 240 voltage, item weight, 380 grams, charge current, 5 amp. Key features: the MEEARO battery charger is versatile and has a seamless power supply system. It has an intelligent 3-stage charging system, which includes fast charging, trickle-off, and top-off. It has an ABS fire retardant shell, which helps in keeping short circuits and fire at bay. The LCD screen display works phenomenally well to help figure out which mode is in action. We like the pulse repair system, as it helps to avoid overcurrent and self-discharge from the batteries. Charging time 2 hours. The MEEARO battery charger is much better than the Roinge battery charger because it has a battery display. It has an intelligent 3-stage battery charging system, which helps in preventing loss of current. The battery charger switches from fast charging mode to off-top and trickle mode. If you are looking for a battery charger with proper safety precautions, the MEEARO one is the best. It uses all the safety protocols to keep overcurrent, short circuit, overheating, etc. issues away. It also has an ABS fire retardant material house that does not catch fire. On the other hand, you will highly appreciate the LCD screen, which indicates the charging percentage, volts, etc. apart from reverse polarity and fire protection. It has versatile modes, which ensure your battery service life only extends. Lastly, its pulse repair function is the show's star, as it helps prevent current loss and recover a dead battery. Pros: 3-stage charging, LCD screen, ABS fire retardant material. Cons: take longer to charge. Our recommendation: if you want a battery charger that protects your battery and extends its service lifespan, go for the MEEARO battery charger. It is great for beginners because of its easy-to-use metal clamps and the LCD screen.